Mass Academy, unit number 4, exercise this time 4.3. Now we reach here. Right now we are reading HCF by factorization method. How to find HCF by factorization method. We have algebraic expression. Right now there are 10 questions of this exercise. We have started the first one, that is 5x power 3 y power 4. So we are writing 5 is already prime number, and x power 3, it means we will be writing x multiplied by x multiplied by x. Thrice we will write, or 3 times we will write x. And 4 power 4 y power 4, it means so y will be written 4 times. And similarly second term is 20x square y cube. First of all we will factorize 20 by prime factorization method. 20 रमा prime factorization method जरिया factor करना के मज़ा prime factor मज़ाना कि 2 in 3 in 5 in 7 in और हमें उड़ा prime factor number बाज़ा तो मायदा सिर्फ हमें से ही 4 नंबर लिखे तक 20 यार मतलब 280 will get 10 times 2 can catch 10 5 times, so we have these. In place of 20 we can write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 5 also can catch 5 1 times. After this we can see x power 2, it means x will be written 2 times x multiplied by x, and y power 3 also will write y multiplied by y multiplied by y, it means y 3 times. Or after writing these things we will see the common factors. We can see from both expression 5 is common here and here. It means both places same number comes, that number will be written 1 times. X is common, and again see another x is also common. Beside this y is common, and also again y common. Similarly y is common 3 times. Upside 4 times it came, and downside we can see 3 times, so we'll take the common one, that is 3 times. After that we are going to multiply 5x square y cube. 5 is 5. Now HCF we are writing highest count factor, that is 5x square y cube. highest count factor में हमें बुद्धि 5x square y cube अमा की कामना पता कामना multiply विधे में आ HCF जोड़ बीते. मा पता नु second question सरा, that is 26 a power 3 b power 4 c power cube. तो ये ब्रिमा 26 a power 3 b power 4 c power cube हम शेयर expand करना. तो 26 सारा prime factorization है जरिए ब्रिमारा factorize करेंगे using prime factorization method. We know that 26 2 can catch 26 13 times, and there is no other number except 13 can catch 13, so we can write 26 as 2 multiplied by 13. Now we can see a power 3, it means we will be writing a 3 times a multiplied by a multiplied by a. And similarly we can see 4 b with power 4, it means we will be writing b multiplied by b multiplied by b. And c power 3, it means 3 times we will write c multiplied by c multiplied by c. After this expression or terms we come to down, that is 65 a square b square c power 4 में 2 मीटर. तो 65 पर भी पता प्राइम फैक्टर मेथड जरिए जमा फैक्टराइज करना. अचानक 64 है कुछ फैक्टर कहाँ है 65 है बल्कि. तो 65 5 can catch table 1 times and 3 times 13 times. 13 can be divisible by 13. So in place of 65 we can write 5 multiplied by 13. Further same rule, x square mean we'll be writing x a square, a will be writing twice, and b power 2 we will be writing b twice, c power 4 we will be writing c 4 times, c multiplied by c multiplied by c. Now we are writing common factor. See here common factor number 13 is there up and down. Remember between these two 13 we will be writing 113. तो हम के common मा निशान जन पता मा common factor लिखा हम एक रसी और हमें बी और ए मा द्रो निशान जता और मागे कि number 13 में किरात का common है और a is coming 2 times the chakra ka, or b and downside also b 2 times b is common, c is 3 times common. Finally we will multiply these vector, so this becomes HCF, highest common factor. 13 a multiplied by a square, b multiplied by b square, and c thrice, it means c power 3. This question is also over likewise. Similarly, now we reached part number 3 or question number 3, that is 18x square y square c power 4, 24x square y power 3 c power 3 c power 4. So first of all we are factorizing 18. See, 2 can catch 18 9 times, and further 3 can catch 9 3 times, and 3 can catch 3 1 times. 18 is factorized. In place of 18 we are writing 2 multiplied by 3. Then x twice power 2, it means we'll be writing x multiplied by x. Y power 2 we'll be writing y. और हमें c power 4 है बिजा c आ रहा 4 अंदा c multiplied by c 4 अंदा लिख करने. After that we reach to 24 of the factorize kana 24 x square y cube c power 4. 24 a factorization. Now if we started 24, 2 can catch 24 12 times. Similarly 2 can catch 12 6 times, and 2 can catch 6 3 times. 3 can catch 3 1 times. Now the factor of 12, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. We'll be writing all factors of 24, not 12, sorry. 24 factor में बस अंदर लिख के था, और पता माग x से बस मिच्चो पावर में मिच्चो चक्कर लिखा नहीं, y है मिच्चो पावर है मिच्चो चक्कर लिखा नहीं, c है मिच्चो पावर है मिच्चो चक्कर लिखा नहीं. तो x we have written twice, y thrice, and c 4 times. After this we are looking for the common factor, that is 2 and 3, that is x twice, y twice, and c 4 times up and down. So we are writing now common factor, that is 2 3. Double x we have written, double y we have written because they are common, and similarly double x double y. After that we'll be writing c. Hence HCF, we will be multiplying this common factor, then we will get HCF. 2 multiplied by 3 we know 6 comes, x square because the chakra x ka, and y square, and c came 4 times. So this is the question, it is over. Now we reached to question number 4 of the same exercise. Since here we have done, we are going to start question number 4, that is x square minus y square, x square minus 3xy plus 2y square. So x square minus y square, we know this is the formula of a square minus b square. ये make रहा a square minus b square formula है, माया formula जो शुरू में रहा अलकन का गस्तिंग एक्सरसाइज अभी मारा ही फार्मूला घूमता हूँ के प्लस बी ए माइनस बी ए बराबर है. तो इसका आसान एक्सप्रेशन एक्सपेंड करना, एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर जगह लिखित करना, वी कैन राइट एक्स प्लस वाई इंटू x minus y. This expression factors we have written. Now come to second expression. Second expression we have right now, that is x square minus 3xy. Remember here we are finding HCF by factorization method. Though we are finding HCF, but the method we are using here, that is factorization. But the factorization method जरिए हमारा HCF find करेगी. देखिए भी method अस्तेंदे मामा शिवाना. तो x square minus 3xy plus 2y square. Now we trinomial expression we are going to expand the middle term. So x square is having 1 and 2, last term the 2 is multiplying 2 comes. If you multiply plus 1 and 2 it comes 3. It means we can expand the middle term like this. So we can write easily x square minus xy, 1xy, only xy, and minus 2xy plus 2y square. Middle term is expanded. Further we are taking common, x is common, x minus y left, minus 2y is common, 2 and y is common. So we know here x left minus y square, it means y will be left. So x minus y is further common, will be taken this common out. So x left and second with second term minus 2y left. We will be writing them twice here in order to highlight them, x minus y into x minus 2y. Now we'll be looking this expression and upside expression, that is x plus y, x minus y, in here x minus y, x minus 2y. See which one is common. Ama ke common नहीं गुड़ा ama में HCF कुछ भी again कि x minus y common नहीं दो इन तो का then go नहीं go तो hence make it HCF बने. Our HCF is what? X minus y. So question is over. This is the answer.